Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence with an exciting review of ChatGPT 4.0, the latest release from OpenAI. Stick around to find out what makes this AI truly remarkable. ChatGPT 4.0 is the newest iteration in the GPT series, bringing several groundbreaking features and improvements. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a developer, or just curious about AI, there's something here for everyone. Maybe the biggest and the most important feature of ChatGPT 4o is that all the features of the platform are now available for everyone for completely free. Yes! Totally free! If you are a Plus member, you can use the features more often. For example, as a free user, you can upload a few pictures a day, but as a paid member, you would be able to upload 5 times more a day. So, in both plans you would be able to do the same processes, but with paid version you will do the same process with additional limits. As mentioned in the previous example, one of the standout features is its multimodal capabilities. ChatGPT 4.0 can process and respond to image inputs and even live video streams, not just text. Imagine asking it to describe a photo or analyze a chart. It's like having a virtual assistant who can see as well as converse. ChatGPT 4o has now a desktop application. In the demonstration video they showed the Mac version, but they might release the Windows desktop version as well. As you may know, the ChatGPT Store was limited to paid users. With this version of ChatGPT, free users will have access to the GPT Store as well. This in turn will increase the reach and the accessibility level of the platform drastically. OpenAI has put a lot of effort into making GPT 4.0 safer and more ethical. It includes improved bias mitigation techniques and content filtering to avoid generating harmful or inappropriate content. This makes it a reliable tool for both personal and professional use. We couldn't include an example for this scenario, because it might trigger the YouTube algorithm to misunderstand the context and flag it as a violation to its community guidelines. GPT 4.0 is faster and more efficient. It delivers quicker responses, enhancing your user experience. The Plus version is built to handle even large volume of requests with cheaper subscription fees, making it suitable for more professional users and enterprise-level applications. Now, ChatGPT not only understands your speech, it also understands your speech mood and feelings, and its response is quicker and more like real time. Watch this demo.
And I want you to tell him a bedtime story about robots and love.
Oh, a bedtime story about robots and love? I got you covered. Gather round, Barrett. Once upon a time, in a world not too different from ours, there was a robot named Byte. Byte was a curious robot, always exploring.
Started this story, but I want a little bit more emotion in your voice, a little bit more drama.
Got it. Let's add some drama. Once upon a time, in a world not too different from ours, there was a robot named Byte.
No, ChatGPT. I really want maximal emotion, like maximal expressiveness, much more than you were doing before.
Understood. Let's amplify the drama. Once upon a time, in a world not too different from ours, there was a robot named Byte.
Personalization is key with GPT 4.0. You can customize its behavior and response style by giving it specific instructions. Over time, it learns your preferences, making interactions feel more tailored to your needs. Whether you want it to be formal, casual, or funny. For developers out there, GPT 4.0 comes with enhanced API capabilities. It's easier to integrate into your applications, and OpenAI has provided better support and documentation. This opens up a world of possibilities for innovative applications. Last but not least, GPT 4.0 has enhanced multilingual support. It can communicate proficiently in multiple languages, making it a valuable tool for users around the globe as a human-like translator.
Mark, io mi chiedo, se le balene potessero parlare, cosa ci direbbero?
Mike, she wonders if whales could talk, what would they tell us?
They might ask, how do we solve linear equations?
Potrebbero chiederci come risolviamo le equazioni lineari.
All of those are all the tip of the iceberg. There are lots of improvements of its existing versions like coding and data analysis. Please explore and experiment with its new features, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video and leave your comments. More on the way soon. Bye, and see you soon.